everyone, it's the World of Coasters here. We've got a special room tour today. Today we're in the Alton Towers Hotel and we are on the top floor, which is the floor with the suites. There are 4 rooms in this floor and we are in 506, which is the Arabian Nights Suite. It's a couple's suite for 2 people, room 506. Let's go in and have a look. Right, so we've just arrived here ourselves, so we don't fully know where everything is, but we're going to explore together. So firstly, you'll notice when you come in, this room is ginormous. Like this stretch here is just the size of one room normally, and you'd have a bathroom here, but this is where the balloon is, like in the main foyer. It's just, you know, cuts off a corner. So as you come in, you'll notice this room is very heavily themed, hand-painted walls with all these like details in it, which is just amazing. It's themed to an Arabian Nights Suite, Arabian Nights tent, sorry. The furniture is all absolutely gorgeous. There's climate control along here. All these lights light up. It's very well lit in here for a hotel room. One other thing you're going to notice is there's sockets. You know, considering this hotel was made in the mid-90s, there's sockets everywhere. We'll have a count up and let you know. A perk of this room, you get a bottle of champagne, which I'm quite happy with that. It's a Moët, just to give you a size comparison.
To my head. Yeah,
it's a full-size bottle. We're probably going to drink it later, so we'll ask for another ice bucket from the bar. Comes with 2 glasses, and we've got some Rose's chocolates there. Should be yummy.
The coffee ones.
There is a nice sofa. Would you like to sample the sofa, Louise? Okay. It looks quite well used. Yeah. Yeah, comfy?
Yeah, it's comfy.
An armchair here. This is the thing, this room is for 2 people. Yeah, it's got a sofa and armchair. If you have more people around, they can sit on the floor on these nice things here. The view from the room is quite nice. It's like nothing spectacular, but you've got a nice view over the lake and the CBeebies Hotel. Moving on round into the main chamber, we have the bed, which this is would you say this is a queen size bed?
Yeah.
It's ginormous. Like I could lay sideways on that, and bearing in mind I'm over 6 foot tall. You got this nice like overhead thing. One question that's asked a lot in this room is, does it have a TV? And in the pictures they hide it away, but there is a TV here. It's a normal size TV, but you know, it's a gorgeous room. We've got quite a lot of pillows here. Bed, let's give the bed a test.
I haven't been on it yet.
It's a nice bed, you know, I can't complain, but you can sit on it, come join me. It's like the other beds in the hotel, comfy.
Yeah, it's alright.
It's nice, very firm, and it's just so nice here. Coming around here, even the radiator cover is all hand painted. It just looks like cracks in the walls, but these are all hand painted on. Over in that corner there, you can actually see they've painted like a parting in the tent looking out into the night sky. So it's all very nice in here. It's beautiful.
I love the lamps, especially that.
Yeah,
mirror
these are like ginormous. Yeah.
You know those 2 there. That has the...
Oh, these ones over here. Yes, gorgeous in here. So in these cupboards, you've got firstly some robes. Of course, I imagine you have to leave them. We won't be taking them. We don't need them. We've got an ironing board in there, and the cot is at the back. We've got some drawers down here, which I imagine are empty.
Yes.
Round on this side, I think this is just a cupboard in here, or is this? Yep. No, it's been nailed shut, whatever it is. And in here is your bathroom. Louise, will you do the honours?
Hey MTV, then welcome to my crib.
This is one of the main reasons we wanted to stay in this room. Like, it comes with the most amazing bathroom in a hotel I've ever seen. Not only do you get his and hers sinks with a huge mirror.
His and hers toilet rolls.
It's his and hers toilet, but it's not a his and hers toilet.
Damn. There's room for one.
Yeah, so we got his and hers sinks. It is immaculately clean in here, like it's to the highest standard. They obviously have to, you know. Yeah. You pay quite a lot to be in here. The what they call it, the French, the persiste resist. I can't even say it. But yeah, the showpiece is the jacuzzi bath, which you've got a panel on for it, and I can't wait. It's huge. Like, you will enjoy a nice soak in here. It tells you all about that. Here are the rules for it.
Says nothing about bath bombs, which is good.
Okay, because Louise has got the bath bomb for here, so later on we'll give you some shots of this all build up and nice. There are towels everywhere along here, here, and also there is a shower, which, oh my god, this looks really nice. It's a very small shower, but you know, nice. We're, like I say, definitely be using the jacuzzi bath later. The toilet is not square! Oh, it's a normal toilet. For those of you guys who have watched my room tours involving the Alton Towers Hotel, Alton Towers have this thing of square toilets, and we don't need square toilets. Bums are not square. So that should be nice and comfy. Got his and hers towels just to add. And yeah, I think that's just about it. Just absolutely admiring the beauty of this room. I can't get over the hand-painted walls and the sheer size of this room. One other thing, which we've only just discovered ourselves, there's more cabinets down here. Tea and coffee making facilities are down here. There are 2 cups and some biscuits and a mini fridge full of water. Awesome, there's sparkling and regular. And we've got another cupboard here, which, let's have a look in here. This just got the hairdryer and the Bible in it. You know, so it's, yeah, very nice. There's a fan up here as well. Right guys, so thank you for watching this room tour video. If you have any questions regarding the room, feel free to leave them in the comments. I'm sure there's something we haven't covered, but like I say, we'll film anything that we've missed. And like I say, if you have any questions regarding it, leave it in the comments. I'll get back to you. First impressions though, I am amazed by this room. I'll maybe put a segment in with the jacuzzi bath running later to show you what that's like. In the meantime, thank you for watching. Like I said, leave a like, don't forget to subscribe for more room tours and theme park related content, and I'll see you in the next video of what we make. Till then, bye!
Bye! I'm on the cushion down here.